This is the compressor side. Got the walls up. Got the base in. Base is a little short to let condensation flow down here and out the drain on the bottom. I have a hole back here to let air in because the compressor needs air to compress for it to work properly. And there's a gap here for the hose reel dispenser to fit snugly inside there. Doesn't need to be airtight. As a matter of fact, the gap is going to stay there. I may put a vent there to keep any debris from coming over to this side, but I don't want to close that up. Pull the dispensers up. Pull the hose, pull it out. When you're done, goes back inside. She's installed. Got a couple clamps holding it in place. All I needed is 100 PSI for the tires. I got enough hose here to go around the RV. And I have an extension in case I have to air up the dinghy. And I can reach the vent valve back here without any condensation. Okay, we're going to put the finishing touches on this compressor compartment here. I know a lot of people are worried about the weight, additional weight. I think safety factor of having air on board supersedes being worried about an extra 50 pounds of weight. But I've had instances in the past where I needed air, 3 tires are low. I'm driving down 95 looking for a tire shop that I could air them up. Some don't even have air hoses, or they don't have compressors that are operational, or they won't let you use it unless you're buying tire from them. It's just very stressful. That's why I got my own air supply on board. If I ever need it, I have it. If I don't need it, then I could rest at ease that I know that I have it on board. All right, I'm gonna put this 90 here, which is gonna go with this rubber hose and go into a 90 there for the other connector. That's gonna connect the compressor with the hose reel. Just stuck it down. I got the Teflon tape to provide the airtight seal. Put it in the direction that I want it. There you go. Nice little bandage for its head. Thread it into this 90 here. Try not to cross thread it. We'll just make it less miserable. route this cable so it doesn't interfere with the reel coming in and going out. You have to tighten those too hard. Teflon will provide a good seal for it. We got this going behind the back. I'm going to hook it up to the coupler. I'm going to put an end on here. Put a couple turns of Teflon on the threads. Screw in the coupler. Use this side with the threads, it's better. Okay. Rose wheel comes out, goes back in. Connect our ear, chuck. Let's fire it up. So when it reaches that set point, it shuts off. You could adjust the set point from down here. Right now it's set at 160 pounds. In the tank, regulator's got 90 pounds. I usually pump up my tires about 95 pounds. So I'm going to increase this a little bit. Right there, that's 95 pounds on the regulator. Tank is still holding at 160. No air leaks. It's got a digital dial in there to tell you the pressure. Looks like a chip. This one works. That works. Makes air. Pressurize. Put air in my tires. What I am going to do is I have a couple extra fittings and couplers. I'm going to take them with me. Like for this, for instance, I made this because one gas station only had 3/8 couplers. Mine are 1/4 inch, so it wouldn't fit. So I made my own adapter for that particular gas station. Now, even though I have my own compressor, in case this breaks down and I need emergency air, I got additional adapters and couplers that I could use anywhere. Yeah, my friend, you're going to be replaced. I don't know what your problem is. You're useless. It could be that you're new. I'm going to give you a couple more chances to disappoint me before I replace you. All right. All I need to do now is find storage area for my air tools. And next trip to Home Depot or Lowe's, I need to get a vent for this hallway here. I want to keep it open because this thing gets hot. It also needs air to operate, to function properly. So I'm going to put a vent there. keep the dust and debris out, but still get air moving around freely. There we go. We got the finished product. Hung up some accessories. Cable, the 120. On the door, I hung up the air chucks. There we go, ready for the road. Finish installing the vent. Keep any debris from coming in here, just trying to get air in here. Found a place for all my fittings. Place for all my chucks. And I have it hooked up to a smart plug. So no matter where I am, I need the compressor running, or I need the compressor to shut off. I can control it from anywhere as long as I have Wi-Fi connection. It also tracks how much current it's using. Amps, watts. Nice little gadget. I could also shut off that mouse transducer from right here. Oh, it's gone. I love these things. I'll have another video and have how to set one up and all the functions it could do. That's for another time. But the compressor compartment is complete. It's working. All right, my friends, you have a great day. Be safe. Don't work too hard. Until next time, ciao for now.